In this video, I want to show you how to create vector grid index using Geowizard in ArcGIS. To do that, let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, I have this shapefile which is Abuja Municipal Area Council. So to create vector grids around this study area or at the extent of your view, in a previous video, I've shown you how to download and install Geowizard. You can watch the video, it's in the description box. So to create this index, come to Geowizard, click on it, then come to sampling. Here, sampling. Once you double click it or just click it, it will show you the options under it. So come to vector grid, double click it. Then here, select source for the initial grid extent. Click on this drop down. You can select current view, which means it will create it for the current view, or you choose your study area, in this case Abuja Municipal Area Council, so which means it will create around this shapefile. Then specify feature class. So click here, let's just call it grade 2 for example. Then click on save, click on next. Here you can choose your coordinate system. The input coordinate system is UTM zone 32 north, and the output, you can change the output here if you want to, but I want the output to be the same with the inputs. So here, select grid type. I want it to be a polygon. Then click next. Here, specify the cell size. Cell size depends on you. It depends how big you want this cell size to be. Let's say 1000 meter by 1000 meter. Yes. Click on finish. So it will run and create the grid cells. It has created it. Click on OK. Then you can now close this page. Now to appreciate it, come to this grid 2 created. Click on this icon. Instead of fill color, let's choose no color and make it, let's say 2, and change the outline color to black for instance, and click on OK. So you can see, if you zoom in, you can see it has created the vector grid index around our study area. So to appreciate it better, you may want to measure to be sure that it is on 1000 by 1000 meter. Click on this measure tool and come here, click, then come here and click. You can see here that the output here is 1000 meter. So let's close this. Furthermore, if you right click this layer and open the attribute table, you can see the ET ID and the index. You can see it here. You can see the ID and the index created. Now, the benefit of this is that it helps you to organize your spatial data, and it also helps you to divide your study area into smaller units called grids to help you to efficiently manage your data and work on your data. So you can check the description box for related video. Thank you for watching.